Health benefits of eating shrimp. Rich in nutrition. Shrimp is an excellent source of several important nutrients, such as protein, vitamins, and minerals. Low in calories. Shrimp is relatively low in calories, making it a suitable choice for those watching their calorie intake. High-quality protein. Shrimp provides high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and maintaining overall health. Antioxidants. Shrimp contains astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that gives shrimp its pink color.